Got a throttle body to relearn. Plug her in. Key to the on position. She'll start right up. We're going to maintenance. We've got these 5 options here. TPS. Let's go. Dodge, baby. Smart VIN or manual selection. Let's go smart VIN. Should read our VIN for us. See if we can get that sun glare out of here. Ooh, it's hot today. All right, there we go. That's all our stuff. Okay, press F1. I read that fast. Whenever you replace a throttle body, you should be doing a relearn. Learn electronic throttle control. Electronic throttle control throttle follower test. To do a test on it. We're just doing a relearn. Relearn TP voltages in AP position. Press OK with the old F3 button. Hold down the accelerator strongly to the floor and press OK when ready. OK is going to be our F3 function once again. Pop inside here. Accelerator pedal to the floor. Press OK. Release accelerator pedal. Oh, I gotta press OK. Learn complete. Easy peasy, guys. Buick LaCrosse. ABS lights on. First thing we're gonna do is turn the key to the on position. We got our SC860 scan tool here. It'll read ABS codes. Plug it into the data link connector. And it'll just turn on just like that. Let's go to diagnostics. American vehicle. And it wants the model, so we just put in the maker, GM. We can do manual selection on the VIN or do a smart VIN. If for some reason the VIN doesn't scan, you can enter it manually. It just gives the scanner the information it needs. There we go. There's all our car information, everything, even the engine, even says 4-door. We hit yes. With or without air pump. Without air pump, air conditioning would be automatic. Not that we need that information for ABS, but all right, we can go down to control modules instead of the quick scan. And we will go to electronic brake control module, trouble codes, read codes. This is going to tell us our ABS codes and why it's not on, but it says no communication, which is weird. Current DTCs, lost communication with electronic brake control module. All right, first thing we're going to do is check the fuse on the ABS under the hood. Get back with you. The 10 amp fuse for the ABS was pulled on this one because it was malfunctioning. So now we can throw in, now we threw a new fuse in it. We should be able to scan our ABS module now. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Now we got 2 codes, C0240 and a 45, wheel speed sensor frequency error, and PCM traction control not allowed. We can Google these codes, just punch them into Google. You can even put your make and model in there. Let's go back, check out live data. anti-lock brake system. It's your ABS. And we can actually see the left front, left rear, right rear wheel speed sensor, live data here, and we can figure out which sensor's not reading. We got all kinds of other functions here too. Quite a few functions here. And now we can erase our codes if we want to. Press F3. And that'll erase those codes. Scanner also has an auto bleed function, which is a must for all your GM products. Whenever you do a brake line, air can get trapped up in that ABS pump, and it can take forever to get that air out. So the ABS bleed function helps get that air out of the pump. Makes your brakes feel good. OBD2 code reader, plug it in. Got my cord looping around, going down there. Your OBD2 or data link connector, DLC, will almost always be under your steering wheel somewhere. We're gonna reset the oil change light on this. I've got two different lights, service airbag and change oil soon. We go to maintenance. Let's go over to oil life reset. So this is a code reader as well as other functions. Click on GM. Smart VIN reader. I like to just hang it off the steering wheel like this. Info looks good. I'll ask us a couple questions. 4-speed automatic, base radio, automatic HVAC, equal to or under 8,600 pounds. Oil life reset. There we go. And now we get to enter our value, input value, F1. All right. Keyboard's going to be your F2 function. Backspace. 100. Complete. Bada boom. Easy peasy. Let's do a check engine light check and clearing. We'll go to diagnostics. American vehicle. GM. Read that VIN. Looks good. We can go through the control modules or just do a quick scan. We'll just do a quick scan. We're going to be looking for the powertrain control module right there, the first one. That's where your check engine codes are going to be. All right, so it's going to be a lot faster just going to your modules than scanning through everything. But here we go. I'll show you that in a second. We'll go to our treble codes. Let's read the codes. Looks like we got 6 of them on this vehicle. Current DTCs. All right, we got some fuel trim. We got an engine misfire, catalyst system, torque converter clutch, TCC. Those are our codes. If we want to clear them, just go back, erase codes. Codes cleared. Let's go back to those modules. Control modules. Instead of scanning everything, you can just go straight to your powertrain. Boom, like that. All right, let's start her up. Here we go, no check engine light on. Oil life was reset. Other functions on the scanner, we got the electronic parking brake. You can put your vehicle in service mode for those calipers. with the electronic parking brake. You must put them in service mode before you do rear brakes on those. Some vehicles have some manual techniques for that, but it's so nice to have the scanner. You don't have to know everything about every vehicle. We got the steering angle. Get our live data here, some component test functions. All data, yeah, let's see it all. Now we can see a lot of our live data. Coolant temperature, 36 degrees Celsius. We'll have to change that unit to Fahrenheit for me here soon. We got different languages, different settings. Just looking at the manual that comes with this. So we got the RPMs, intake, manifold pressure, vehicle speed sensor, time in advance, air temperature sensor, throttle position. We got some O2 data. Let's see how in-depth this goes. Fuel level input, nice. Temperature for our cats. Commanded ratio for air fuel. Quite a bit. Let's go back. One thing that's nice about this is the free lifetime updates. Pretty sick. All right, we got an American vehicle here. So we'll click on American. Go to our vehicle. Smart VIN. You always got that manual punch-in option too, if for some reason it doesn't work. Looks good to me. We can go through the control modules individually. Right here, steering angle sensor, instrument cluster, everything. All right, we got it all. Got the anti-lock brakes on there. Then you got your freeze frame for diagnosis, event data. Got your live data all right here. Pretty slick little device for the price. Be a good one to keep in my car. I also keep unlock tools and air compressor and whatnot because I'm always rescuing friends and family every day. You know it. Instead of hauling around my other scanner. Unfortunately, I ain't got nothing in my lot right now. Got a couple more cars that way that needs that is even equipped with electronic parking brake or steering angle sensors to show those functions off, but it's just like doing the oil reset or the throttle body relearn. It'll walk you through the steps simply, quick. But we don't do a lot of cars around here. We don't get a lot of them in with electronic parking brakes, but every once in a while, we get them, man. So, got to have that function, especially a lot of newer cars these days are coming equipped with them. So it's just something you need to have.